Hey, welcome to problem number 2 in data structures on FreeCodeCamp platform. So we're learning how a stack works. So basically the description they give us here, let's check it out. So they say, you're probably familiar with the stack of books on your table. You have likely used the undo function of a feature of a text editor. You also probably used it to hitting the back button on your phone to go back to the previous view in the app. You know what they all have in common? They all store data in the same way. Okay. So what do you want from us today? What can we do? The data storage scheme is called a stack. So in this particular order, it's called a stack. Okay. In particular, we would have to implement the push method. Most JavaScript guys know push. That pushes the JavaScript method on top of the stack, and the pop to take it out. Okay, so this is going to be super easy. Here we have a stack of homework assignments represented as an array. Okay, that is at the base and psi44 is at the top of the stack. Modify the given array and treat it like a stack using the JavaScript methods mentioned above. Okay, so I got this. Let's console log. Okay, and then we want to basically pop out the last element in this array here. Pop that out. That's what pop does. It removes the last element. This is the first element. This is the last element. Okay, and then basically they're asking us to push in this, which pushes to the end. So push will push to the end here. Okay, so push and CS50, and here it is. At the bottom here. Run it. Kaboom. Checkmate.